Queuing ahead of the price hike, anxious motorists in Beijing formed long lines at petrol stations.
I feel the price has increased too much. I'll try to drive less.
The price of transportation fuels rose by 18% on Friday, the first increase in China since November. The only people spared are those in Sichuan province, still recovering from the May 12th earthquake. According to the newspaper China Daily, petrol prices will increase by 12 cents a litre, diesel will jump by 14 cents. The price of aviation fuel has been raised by $217 a tonne, and in July, electricity charges will jump slightly for some businesses, but residents and farmers are exempt from that increase.
The price rise definitely affects me. What if the petrol price rises to 10 yuan? I would stop business.
It's a risky strategy for the Chinese. Increasing the price of fuel may curb demand, but it could also drive up inflation, already near a 12-year high.
China is in an inflationary stage, but the majority of China's inflation is actually related to food. So allowing this global price for a commodity to be passed on to consumers is a healthy sign. And I think the rest of the world would look at it and say, well, this is fairer. Because if you're subsidizing Chinese consumers in terms of the petrol price, there is always the argument it means there is an unfair advantage for exports that come out of China.
While Chinese motorists may be complaining, international markets felt some relief. Rising prices for 1.3 billion Chinese will likely lead to a decrease in demand across the burgeoning country.
We believe that in the next 3 to 6 months we will see oil back at $100 to $110 a barrel. I believe that this is a significant bubble, and I do believe that the measures announced by China will contribute over time to that pullback.
Speculation over a potential longer-term drop in the price of oil has continued for a second day in New York, extending a decline of more than $4 a barrel on Thursday. China's demand for oil is considered one of the main catalysts for the surge in oil prices, so China's pain may yet translate into a global gain. Laura Kyle, Al Jazeera.